Rexar, my name is Axel Prasetya Pratama. Now here I want to talk about topic 7. Topic 7 is about writing. So the, so the first is what is writing? So writing is a way of expressing ideas, thoughts, feelings in writing forms. But it just not only about put words in the paper, but it also about communicating meaning to readers. And in writing, we have three important aspects. The first is relational. The first is relational. The second is strategy, and the third is textual. So the first is what is relational. So the relational is like the connection between the writers and the readers. For the the writers should know who will read the text and what the purpose of the text. And then for the strategy, is like the refers to the step up on the writing, like revising, planning, and drafting. And then we have the textual. So the textual is like is focus on the final form of the text. It includes the grammar and organizing, and it purpose to make the ideas clear. And then with the second language writing, so it is writers writing so the writers writing in the second language, and it can be difficult because the writers should learn about the second language and the writing skills at the same time. And the commonly struggle is on the vocabulary and the grammar of the second language. And then we have the control composition. So the control composition is like the early approach to teaching writing. It's like teaching. It's like focus on the grammar and how to make a correct sentence. For the example, it's like for example a student asks the teacher to change how to change maybe past tense to the future tense. And this little change can help the student develop a good sentence, and it also surely focus on the structure but not focus on the meaning. And then we have the paragraph patterns. The paragraph pattern is like organizing ideas. Into clear paragraph. Students learn how to make a topic sentence. Students learn to make topic sentence, supporting ideas, and supporting and conclusion. And for the example, a student try to make a topic sentence, maybe my favorite food, and following by the supporting sentence and supporting reasons. And it helps the student develops a good paragraph and essay. And then we have the process approach. The process approach is like the student through the student through the process like the process through the process drafting, revising, something like that. And for the example is they try to make a draft, and then they try to make a draft and got a feedback from the lecturer or the teacher, and they try to improve their writing. And this approach allows students reduce their mistakes and develop better ideas. Yeah, and then we have the genre-based approach. So the genre-based approach is to teach a student how to write different writing for the academic and non-academic. So this is teaching how, for example, we make an email. We can make a different which one the email. For example, we make an email. Which one the email is for our friend or our lecturer? We can different them. Yeah, I think like that. So I think that's all from me from this topic 7. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.